Today, we're going to go look at something a little bit more fun. We're going to look at a live environment. We're going to go onto LinkedIn, and I'm going to show you how to use a reverse Google image search to detect whether someone is fake or someone is real. And it's usually a lot easier to tell if they're fake than 100% knowing that they're real. So I'll show you what I mean. This is Google Images. You can go here by images.google.com, and you can either type in an address of a picture, or you can upload an image. Super handy. Now, watch what this does. For example, I noticed on LinkedIn that there was a lot of people in the lead generation and MLM recruiting, which are like pyramid schemes, but not pyramid schemes, even though it's shaped like a pyramid and everyone talks about it like it's a pyramid scheme, but it isn't. Yeah, multi-level marketing. These types of organizations, lead gen and these types of MLMs, require lots and lots of people. You need lots and lots of people to hear the pitch so you can get your numbers, because a lot of people are going to go, that's a pyramid scheme. So I found Jennifer Ann. Now, Jennifer Ann, that's a fairly generic name, and multi-link data solutions. Interesting. Now, if we were to right-click on this image and save the image as, looks like I already did that. I wonder why. Let's go to the Google Images, and we're going to upload an image, and we're going to choose Jennifer Ann, and I'm doing air quotes while I'm doing that because I already know her name is Rosanna Castillo. And big shocker, she does porn. Or softcore porn. But I'm sure she probably gets naked. If you notice, I don't click on any of these links because I know better. Obviously, that's not the most professional LinkedIn photo. But they frown on nudity from what I understand. So this is about as close as they could get. Why did they do this? They picked an attractive girl with what looks like, obviously, a very big personality. So they put her on the front of this sales page, and now she's got 500 plus connections. I'm assuming that someone mans this LinkedIn page and will send off invites, and those invites get accepted more often than if she was some fat, balding, middle-aged loser who probably runs this company. So he probably doesn't get as good of response rate or acceptance rate. So he uses Jennifer Ann to do his work for him. Kind of makes sense a little bit. So in this circumstance, this is a business-driven decision. This is a money grab. If you're on Tinder or if you're on some other site, these types of social engineering techniques can be used for getting people to download something or go to a webcam site or sign up for some new website membership that gets them money directly in their pocket. This is a bigger play. This is to get deals. This is to get clients that are actually going to spend money on some real stuff. And their only hook in the initial part was this girl's huge personality. So we know that this absolutely is a fake. So we can take this Google search and go copy. And we can report it. Boom. And misrepresentation, inappropriate picture, other. This is not the person that they are claiming to be. Evidence shows that this is an actual person named, what was her name again? Rosanna Castillo. This is a fake profile. So, continue, agree, bam. A little bit of good in the world is done. And I know a lot of people are thinking, one person doing this. Well, this video is going to be shown on my YouTube channel, but also to a course that I'm offering on Udemy Udemy, however you want to pronounce it. One way's right, one way's wrong. And Udemy is a great website, and I've actually got a ethical hacking boot camp, and this is part of the curriculum, is using reverse image searches to learn different things about targets, and what you're ultimately trying to do is hack a system. So we know that this person is not real. And that's because we have amazing tools like Google Reverse Image. Another version of that is TinEye, like so. And you can do all sorts of stuff with these reverse image searches. You can find the same image across multiple properties, so you can go and tell if someone is running, cloned websites, all sorts of different things. Sky's the limit, not just softcore porn on LinkedIn. That being said, for the people who are taking this class and who do watch this video and get to this point, go and flag every profile you can find that matches these. And if you have a question and you're not sure whether they're real or not, don't flag it. You might be flagging somebody who's just kind of slutty or just an idiot. But this is an example of what not to post on your photo for LinkedIn, because this will make your parents sad. And in Batman's case, yeah, sorry. So I think that about does it for reverse image searching on LinkedIn to see these profiles. You can go and see what other people have searched for similar to her. Once you get stuck in one of these hot girl loops, it's impossible to get out of them. See? Look, everyone who also viewed this girl and all these off to the side, yeah, it's just gonna be scantily clad women till the end of time. And if that's your thing, good luck. Yeah, I've got better stuff to do. So yeah, for the student who decides to go and flag a bunch of these, you'll find it's kind of rewarding. You feel like you're cleaning up the internet a little bit, and every little bit helps. So Match.com has the same problems. Tinder has the same problems. Every social networking or dating site where there's an attraction sort of factor absolutely has these problems, because people want to game the system one way or the other. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next lecture.